So now we're gonna do the conventional deadlift. Again, young guys and young girls, I cannot stress this enough. Please start small. You don't need to start with all of this weight. Start small and then progress. So again, I'm placing my feet on a plate. You do not have to do this. In fact, screw the plate. Let's do that right now. Okay, again, I only use the plate because I have long arms and long legs. Okay, you want to keep this bar close to your shins, 6 inches apart. All right, I'm gonna keep it a little bit close by. All right, so the goal is to go straight down and left down. All right, again, hip hinge down, skin, palm. My hips are downward, okay, close to the bar. Now, what I like to do to warm up first, I like to hip hinge. Extend the hips all the way up, bring the hips down. Hip hinge, bring the hips down. So we're gonna lock our lats, shoulder blades are back, arm is straight, spine is always neutral. And we're gonna go straight up. Exhaling, abs straight down, and we're gonna sit on the invisible chair. Hip hinge again, that's optional. Straight up, straight down. We'll do about 3 of these. Hip hinge. One more. Hip hinge. And straight down. The new deadlift. The deadlift is not a back-based exercise. It's mostly lower body, core, boost everything up, but it's not a back exercise. It's not a back exercise. We're gonna get it off the rack. Skin, palm. Again, this is something you don't necessarily have to do. You can do it this way. And we're gonna hip hinge. Knees slightly bent, ass out, and then come up. We're gonna do this again. Good, hip hinge, chest up. Slow it down, slow it down. Ass out, arms straight, lats are locked. You never want to round the spine. Hip hinge. It's the same form with the dumbbells. All ass, all ass. Good. We'll do about one more. And then come up. And that's the Romanian deadlift.